Zoho Survey is a powerful tool that can help you gather feedback, improve service quality, and streamline communication with clients, subcontractors, and workers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and customize your survey to suit your business needs. If you want to create a new survey, you can click on this button here. But in this example, I've already created a survey. If you hover on the survey, you will see more icons. You can edit, duplicate, preview, and delete your survey. If you click on your survey, it will show you the summary. On the left, you'll find the key dates. The Edit Survey button allows you to go back and make changes. Clicking on this will take you to the Survey Builder view. This is where you can create and customize questions. If you click at the pencil icon at the top, you can modify your survey name, category name, and add a tag. To save your changes, click on Update. On the left side, you'll see all available question types. These include multiple choice for choosing from a list of options. You can set this question to accept one answer or many answers. If you want to make a question mandatory, tick on this. If you already have a list, you can copy and paste them into this field. You can also view each choice in individual checkboxes by clicking on this. You also have the option to carry forward choices from previous questions. And if the answer is not given in the choices, you can tick on Add Other field. Under the Advanced Options, click on this to expand the section. You can select from these display formats on how you want the choices displayed. You can also change the order of the choices and more. Another type is star ratings. This is used for measuring customer satisfaction. You can select your representation and select from the shapes available, but you have the option to select custom shapes. You can customize which shape you'd like to use and change the color. You can customize the number of ratings and add a not applicable option. Another type is text boxes. Utilize this for more in-detail feedback. Simply click or drag and drop the question type you want onto the survey. Let's add a multiple choice question to ask, what type of project did we complete for you? Then, we'll list options like new build, renovation, commercial build, and extension. Zoho Survey also supports logic. For example, if someone selects Other in the project type question, we can show a follow-up text box asking for details. To do this, simply tick on Add Other field. Once done, you can now click on Save. You can also add a page skip logic and question randomization. Page skip logic lets you redirect your respondents to specific pages based on their responses. To add a page skip logic, click Page Skip Logic. Then from here, add a condition, and in this drop-down, it will show you all the questions within the page. For example, when a customer's rating is the lowest, we can add a page skip logic to redirect straight to the conclusion page and enter their feedback. Since I do not want to add a skip logic, I'm not going to save this change. Question randomization. By randomizing your questions, you avoid leading your respondents in a certain direction. It helps keep answers more accurate and obtain unbiased results. This displays the number of pages. From here you can easily add a page or navigate to specific pages and rearrange them by dragging them across. Now let's go to the Settings tab. Here you can configure and manage your survey settings. You can customize the header. You can upload a survey logo, update the footer, update your survey preferences, language, customize your introduction page by adding a title, description, and Begin Survey button. Make sure to click on Save whenever you make a change. Click on Preview on the right side at the top of your screen to view your survey. On the preview screen, you have the option to view across different page orientations and devices. You can also configure your terms and conditions, timer, and save and continue. We recommend you utilize the other resources available by clicking on your profile icon on the right, and click on Help Center and Watch Tour to learn more. Moving on to themes. This is where you control the look and feel of your survey, making it match your brand. Simply click on the Edit icon and select from the different color schemes, fonts, and effects. Once done, click on Save. Then on to Hub. The Hub tab is your survey command center. Every survey response can set off a series of actions. Set up your preferred integrations. Triggers. You can automatically send an email, SMS, trigger functions, or webhook, and track to monitor the traffic in your survey. Lastly is the launch. Utilize the preview button here to access your survey and verify if the questions and options are correct. You can jump in between previewing the pages using this drop-down. When your survey is ready and complete, click on Publish. This will generate a shareable link so you can send it out to your customers or team members, meaning your survey is now live. Once there are responses received, go to the Reports tab. This will give you the summary of responses and the individual responses in different tabs. You can also export your results as is, or create a custom report, include or exclude data, and export as a spreadsheet, a PDF file, or open it in Zoho Sheets. When you want to close the survey, go back to Builder. Click on Launch tab. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Close Survey. Zoho Survey makes it easy to create, distribute, and analyze surveys without any coding. Please refer to Zoho's training resources for more information on how to use surveys in Builder's Excellence.